Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to fix this door. So this door got expanded a little bit because of the rainy season, and now we are unable to close it. You can see. Now how we are going to fix it? See, the only solution is we have to reduce the size of this door, okay, so that it can fit within the frame. Okay, so let us first see which all tools we are going to use. So the main tool is the drill machine. Now to convert this drill machine into a cutting and a grinding machine, I'll be using this adapter. Okay, this is adapter set, and this adapter I bought from online. I will put the link of this product in the description. Now if you look at this adapter, so these are two plates. In between these two plates we can mount any plate. So it can be like a wall cutting plate or a wood cutting plate, any plate, even a metal cutting plate also we can mount inside this. Okay, and this adapter is actually 10 mm only, so any normal drill machine can accommodate it. For example, I have this drill machine, a basic drill machine, which is 13 mm. So 13 mm is the most standard size. That means the chunk of this can accommodate the bits of up to 13 mm. Okay, and this is only 10 mm, so this can easily fit into this machine and any normal drill machine. Okay, now next thing is I need a sandpaper disc. So this is a sandpaper disc. Now if you want to mount this, you require a plastic support also. Okay, this is standard because this is very flexible, right? This doesn't has any strength, so this requires the support, and also this requires this adapter. Okay, now let's assemble it. Now for the assembly, we don't need these two plates. These are mainly used for mounting the metal plates. Okay, so we'll keep this aside. What we need is these three things, okay, plus this shaft, okay, and of course these fasteners. Okay, so how we are going to do it: first the plastic plate, then the sand plate, and then on top of this adapter, and then from here we have to screw it. So once we are done with the screwing, we have to fasten this as much as possible. Okay, like this. So we have to fasten it as much as possible. So once we are done with fastening it as much as possible, we have to fix this shaft in the drill machine, and then again fasten with this fastener. Okay, so I'm going to do it, and then we'll start the process. Okay, so we are done with the assembly. Now before starting the process, I would highly recommend using the safety tools. So mainly three safety tools you need. Okay, one is a goggle, the most important one, and these are the hand gloves. After wearing this, I feel a lot more safer, stronger, because the grip increases, so the confidence level also increases. Okay, you can also explore this product. I will put the link of this product in the description. See, using these safety kits are very important. Now the third one is it's recommended to wear the shoes. Okay, if anything falls, then it can accidentally fall on your feet. Okay, so how we are going to do is I have identified the spots where the peeling is required. So only from those points I'm going to peel it. Okay, I may not show you the full demo, but I will definitely show you the glimpse of it, and then I'll continue with the rest of the work, and then I'll show you the final finishing. And one more thing is there will be a lot of dust coming, so better to cover the things which you don't want to spoil. Okay, so let's start. So one thing is, see, every drill machine has a continuous on button. So we can press this button, which will keep the machine continuously running. Hi friends, so I am done with the job. Let me show you the door. So although the color is gone, but the finishing is smooth. Okay, and we can easily close the door now. So it goes all the way inside, and you can see the dust. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. A lot of dust will come, so you have to protect your eyes and the nearby things. Okay, and in the whole process 2 plates were required. You can see this one completely gone. Okay, and the other one is also almost gone. One sand plate comes for about 10 rupees, so 20 rupees expenditure. That's it. So that's it for this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.